Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by today. I just thought I'd pop on here and find out from you guys, when do you start advertising your Christmas items for sale? So I generally start the end of October. However, this year I think I'm going to start early to mid-October, so it's coming up soon. Just because I've done some research these past couple months, and I've already had some people buying some of my digital PNGs that are Christmas themed, and I did have someone buy a snowman ornament. So I figured maybe I'll start a little bit early this year, and my plan is to sell quite a bit of those like Santa cutting boards, and I'm super excited to show you guys what those look like. But curious on when you all plan to start selling your holiday themed things for sale. So, and then if one specific market is generally better than the other, I know right now I'm selling on Amazon, Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, Mercari, and eBay. And most of my sales right now are coming from Amazon, but I do see quite a bit on Etsy too. And I know Facebook Marketplace has really slowed down over these last couple months, but it's still doing decent. It's still a decent amount of income. So leave a comment below and let me know what your plan is for the winter months and the holiday. And I hope to hear from you guys soon. Have a great night.